Guys, we're at the Lego store. As you can see, we're at the Lego store. There's not just this. This is the most amazing thing I ever see. My whole flashly eyes. These are the Lego Mario sets. Whoa. A lot of Lego Mario sets, huh? Hey. And there's some Lego movie sets. That's lots. And most of all, my Mario is the favorite. But I also like me some Minecraft because Minecraft is also my favorite. See, look at this. Short creeper, vines, chickens. They finally added phantoms. That's great. Relief. What? Is there any more? Well, there's some minions, I think. Yep, there's some minions. I think that's it.